Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, if you have been aiming to buy Samsung Galaxy Ring or Oura Ring, here are the side-by-side comparison that will lead you to make the right choice. The two of the rings are great. Oura has been on top of the smart ring for some time now, but Samsung always focus on innovative and durability. So the final decision is based on personal preference. You can buy any one suitable for your needs. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.